No! No! No!
What?
No! No! I made the sword! Did I make it at least? Where is it? Are you near? You're not. Where are you? Oh! What? You made a shield! No! 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 Oh my heart. How are you catching me? No, the skeleton! No! No!
Yeah.
Get it, please! Oh! No! This is so close. How much health did you have? No! Dream, check this out. You're gonna like this.
Oh my god. What? You found diamonds?
Yes! Yes! Also, or did you make it on the surface? No!
I see your Optifine torch.
No! What the hell?
What do you mean?
Like, what are you doing? Up there.
What?
Oh my god, you fell.
Well, I was gonna ambush you.
How did you even get up there without showing anything? Did you like dig up and break the blocks as you went?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Let's see.
No! I just wanted to get here without you seeing me.
What is? Come on, George.
No, put that down.
Put it down. Here, you want your soup back?
Yeah, throw it to me. No! Please! No! Yes! 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 Yes!
So stupid!
Yes! Oh my god!
This is so bad. This is George. George. I'll craft a new one.
Oh, you're so annoying.
I'm annoying.
Okay. Yeah.
Imagine you just
Oh no,
missed.
I hit the ceiling! Oh, I found it. It's over here.
Oh, you did.
I found it for the first time. Let's go.
Advantage.
No, I'm gonna die.
I think so. Yeah. Oh no! No! What the hell? What?
Oh my god.
Please, 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 please! What the hell? I burned so long.
I'm dead. I'm actually dead. I'm actually dead. I'm actually
You're
dead.
No! Where were you?
Down in the water. Oh god, no! I forgot you can't break. Run!
No!
Here's the stick.
Oh no!
The furnace,
Wait,
you
what?
idiot! The
Oh
furnace.
my god. Oh my god.
No!
What happened, George?
I killed him. Killed him.
Oh,
No!
you idiot! Dude, what's wrong with you? What's wrong? What's wrong with you?
Please die. No.
I'm away from
He's
it.
getting. So, listen. Yes.
What did he do to me? Wait, where are we?
Just come over here. Come over here.
Whoa. The noob! The noob! He doesn't know what it's like.
Look at him.
Look at him go. Look at him go. The noob. The little noob. What a noob!
What a loser.
He's in the below thing. Didn't you hear him?
Okay, George,
I'm
you're
just
such an idiot.
lost.
Where? To the real world.
Stop.
Stop. Stop, George. Get into the real world.
Yeah, Dream. Here, have this.
I'm killing myself right now.
Throw it in the lake behind you.
Okay.
Let's go.
Can you give me? Oh wait, wait, what? I thought it was cool. I thought it was cool.
Hey guys, it's the second channel. We cheat on this channel. Come on, let's go.
Oh, do we actually cheat?
How did you die? Village!
Wait, what? What's happened? What happened to my screen?
Without diamond armor. Oh god. I landed here. Look where I landed. All right. Oh my god, I'm in the lava.
No! No!
Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoy content like this, then please